Hi guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to drive your basic sleeve pattern. So I have my pattern on fold. What I'll start by doing is to take about 0.5 inch from the beginning of my pattern. This is just to give us the starting point. From this point, I'm going to start by placing my shoulder to elbow measurement, which mine is around 13 inch. You can just go ahead and do so on your body. Take the measurement and mark it. Then for the full length, I'm just using 22 inches. I'll go ahead and input the same point on this other edge. So it's 13 inches for my elbow and 22 inches for my full length. I'll use my ruler to connect the points. So for the sleeve pattern, you're going to need to calculate your cap height, and to do so, you're just going to calculate your bust measurement divided by 12 plus 1 inch. So for me, my bust is 36 divided by 12 plus 1 inch. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Then I added the 1 inch and I have 4. So 4 is going to be my cap height. So what you need to do is divide your bust by 12 and add 1 inch. That is how you get your cap height. So from the top, I'm going to place the 4 inch, which is my cap height, and I'll go ahead and use my ruler to connect the straight line. Now from the top line, I'm going to go ahead and place my cap height of 4. From that point, I'm going to go ahead and divide what I have in between my cap height into 2. So I have 2, then I mark the point. Now on this line, I'm going to place my round armhole divided by 2, which I have 8. I'll just go ahead and mark the point right there. Now to form the sleeve head, I'm going to place my French curve from the top of my pattern down to the middle point that we marked. So just make sure you place your French curve nicely to get a proper shape. Then you're going to also turn your French curve over to join it to the 8 inch that you have for your bicep. So now you're going to go ahead and measure what you have on your cap head. If it's equal to what you have on your armhole, this is gonna have to be your armhole measurement divided by 2 plus 1 inch. So mine is 8 plus 1 inch, which is 9. So I see that I have the perfect size. Now on your elbow, you want to go ahead and measure your round elbow divided by 2 and add 1 inch allowance. On the length of your sleeve, you're going to go ahead and calculate your round wrist divided by 2 plus 1 inch. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect all these 3 points to form my sleeve. So basically we're done drafting our long sleeve. I'll just go ahead and cut it out and show you how it looks after cutting. So this is how it looks. Now moving on to the back, I have my pattern on fold. I'll go ahead and rule out about ½ an inch as the starting point. So for the short sleeve, the cap height that we had on the long sleeve was 4. I'm just going to go ahead and take note of the 4 inch here. I'll mark it on both sides. And then I'll also go ahead to mark the full length of my sleeve, which is 9 inches. Your short sleeve can go as long as 11. So you can go ahead and just mark the length that you want. I'll just go ahead and rule out a straight line. Then we're going to go ahead and divide our round armhole by 2 and place it on the cap height. And on the full length, I'm going to go ahead and divide my bicep divided by 2, and I'll place it there and add 1 inch allowance. Now on the top of my pattern paper, I'll go ahead and mark 4 inches, which is what we had for our cap height. I'll divide my cap height by 2 in the middle, and I'll use my French curve to form the sleeve head as we did for the long sleeve. So just go ahead to connect your cap head and also join it at the bottom as well, just to meet your armhole. So now I'm going to go ahead and measure around my cap edge just to make sure that I have my round armhole measurement right here plus 1 inch for allowance. So as you can see, I have about 9 inch and I can see that is perfect for me. Then I'll go ahead and connect the points to form my sleeve. After connecting, I'm just going to go ahead and label my pattern. This is the short sleeve. So that will be all. I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my pattern. And I can assure you that this is the best and easiest way to get your sleeves. This is what I have when I open it up. This is the long sleeve. And I hope this tutorial was very helpful. If so, do not forget to like, share, leave a comment, and let me know if it was easy to follow. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye for now.
It's fake gamer.